Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is the place where you can learn English in a fun and easy way. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your English conversation skills, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be practicing some basic English conversations that you can use in real life. We'll cover everyday situations like asking for directions, ordering at a restaurant, and more. When eating out, it's important to know some basic restaurant phrases. We'll go through common phrases and example conversations to help you feel confident when ordering food. Shopping phrases are very practical. You can create a video where you go over how to ask for products, inquire about prices, and more. Let's dive into some useful phrases and example conversations. Talking about your hobbies is a great way to connect with others and practice English. We'll explore common phrases and example conversations to help you share your interests. This is a useful topic for travelers who need to know how to ask for information or check in. We'll cover common phrases and example conversations to make your airport experience smoother. Talking about family is always a great topic to practice conversation. We'll go through common phrases and example conversations to help you talk about your loved ones. Small talk is common in both work and school settings. We'll explore common phrases and example conversations to help you feel comfortable making small talk. Knowing how to make a phone call in English can be very useful. We'll cover common phrases and example conversations to help you make calls with confidence. Describing your day is a great way to practice English. We'll go through common phrases and example conversations to help you talk about your daily activities. You've just practiced some useful English phrases and had the chance to improve your conversation skills. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it will get.